What's up, man? You want to let it cool off for a second and give me some info for a video?
Sure. Dillon Nano. I got a Crescendo BC6K at a half ohm. I got 5 BLV2s, 12s, and a custom built box at 32 hertz.
32 hertz?
Yep.
Is it sealed off or is it?
It's not. Well, I got some towels shoved in there right now.
It works.
I used to have a BL15 on a BC2K, and I foamed it, so there's a little bit of foam left over from the last build that I had.
How big is the box?
Before the port, it's right at 6 cubic feet, and then after port, it's probably like right around like 5, a little under 5 maybe.
How much, what is your sub amp wire to?
Half ohm.
Half ohm, okay. And you said how much battery power?
I got a Singer 300 amp alt, Access Power V3400 in the front, XP 3000 in the back, and then Limitless 25 amp hour.
All right. Awesome. I love this song. It's a good demo song. Some Subwoofers. Just on 212s, right? So that sounds really good. Appreciate it, man. Thanks for the demo. What was your name?
Dillon.
Dillon, all right. Thanks, man. Thanks for the demo. That sounds good for what it is, for sure.
Thanks.
Definitely. Want me to keep it open?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Hey, did you want to hear it?
She say, all the products of my man gone a long way from the home that he known to me. She wasted, baby. One shot, two shots, things still turning crazy. Shots make you fade. Freeze coming out at night and they need X-ray. 4 shots, but she can't get the clip. Any more shots, she smoking on X-Men, no clips. Probably hoes going up in the red.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.